Day! Hello, ladies and gentlemen! So dito sa Balbacoa Queen, the original, nahanap ko si Inday
Jabana!
Wala, hindi siya! Si Inday Jabana Sarya. Here, can you spell out your YouTube channel? Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Ay, very good, ay.
Ano, bugo kay kung spelling di ako. Nakita ko na ako sa YouTube. Kasi, actually, ang daming bata. Sa amin noon, meron bata din na gustong
Thank you kayo ninyo, ha. Thank you kayo.
Very good.
Ay, amping permis sa biyahe, amping permis sa biyahe. Wala ka, nice sa view diha, oy. Nice kayo, be, capture na to, capture. Selfie. Wala, nice kayo ang view diha. Okay. Very good. Ano to, very good, very good. Oh, sige, kamo na po pag-meeting doha.
Mag-meeting ning duha.
Saan po yung chismis diha?
Sabay chismis na to.
Okay, thank you. God bless. Salamat kayo.
J as in jar, A as in apple, V as in your butt, V.
Wala na.
V as in vine, A as in
Day, asan
apple,
takbo ng ani?
A.
Silingan rami.
Jabana Sarya. Ano yung na ba? Ayan. Rice, tapos, I need to all. Okay, so that's the name. Dili maklaro day. Dili maklaro day. Ako na Jabana maklaro. Ako na screenshot day para atong i-share sa atong Facebook day. Dear Jabana Sarya, congratulations. Kasi Tagalog tayo, darling, ha? Okay lang sa'yo?
Hindi nakasabot og Tagalog ka siya.
Okay lang, okay lang, Ate Julie. Okay, English. Press 2 to English. Dear Jabana Sarya, congrats. Oh my God! Ulit lang Bisaya, Day. What's out, Day? English to, Day. Then po, Jabana Sarya, dear, we would like to congratulate you because you already reached 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, congratulations.
And for that,
Watch hour na lang.
nagiging ano na lang, 1,040, 1,041 na kasi nakapag-subscribe
Nakasubscribe ka na.
ako.
Dagdagan pa namin.
Yeah, ano nga tayo magtawag dun? Because nag-collab na sila si Ate Julie Mag. Yeah, let me see one of your videos here. Oh my God! Hala, you have a very big family, darling. Ay, di doon dali, day. Doon lagi busy para makita si Jabana, day. Di maklaro, day, no? Pixelated, maday, why signal, day? So, okay. Well, anyway. Yeah. Day, well, anyway, Jabana Sarya, dear, thank you so much, no, because we met you together with Inday Kabkab, Inday Ngabel, Jing Astor, and the rest of the aspiring vloggers. And take
Yes.
note, where are you from, Inday Jabana Sarya? So,
Minglanilla, Cebu.
They are the resident
Complete,
of
Day.
Linaw, Minglanilla, Cebu. So once again po, please subscribe. Okay. Pwede bang sabihin ang word na SUB? Hindi, no? I think it's my child. Pwede. Pakibisita na lang po ng kanyang bahay. Ang name po ng kanyang bahay ay Jabana Sarya. It's G-A-B-N-D-A. Ay, siya na lang. Bugo. Day, bugo kay kong spelling, day.
Ino sa tutumbag.
Ha?
Tumbag ka ng mga
Spelling mo ba, teacher, is not
Ask
on
him a
joke.
question, then he will, she will kuan.
She will answer.
Yes,
Okay.
answer.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Inday. Bye. Bye-bye. If you're given a chance to represent our country for the upcoming Miss Universe,
Yes.
are you ready? Wow!
Day, dapat yung yes with
Yes.
confidence.
Okay,
Go.
Again.
Yes, with confidence.
Okay, with confidence, according to Inday Kabkab, Jabana Sarya, if you are given a chance to represent the Philippines for the upcoming Miss Universe, my question, are you ready?
Odzay, ready?
Patay ka na!
That's it! That's it! Ay. May laban siya, Day. May laban siya, Day.
What can you say about gay rights? Gay rights? For me.
Ay, dili. Ang cute na.
Go.
Naliwat ka!
Nalimutan na. Akala ko English ka.
Ay, Bisaya, Day!
Bisaya na lang, daday. ayan po, thank you so much. And
Hanggang na future siya, day.
okay, so if you are paano ko sabihin? Uy, na-mental block ako sa back. So if you want to know more about the life of this little, very cute, as in, napakaganda niya. Wow, Char, please do subscribe.
Bluetooth,
No.
day.
Okay, ako na ang magsasabi, darling. Bibisitahin niyo po ang bahay niya. Ang name ng bahay niya is Jabana Sarya. Times uy, nakalimot ko daw. Nakalimot ko
Spelling.
dahi. Kay Bugo, kay kong spedara dahi. Jabana Sarya, it's Jabanah. Sarya, space Sarria. Jabana Sarya. Ang kulang, malapit na siyang mag-graduate, guys.
Oh, watch hour na lang kulang. Watch hour na lang.
Dear, congratulations. Thank you so much and hoping na makasama ka pa namin in our future.
Si Nadiri. Paluwerin. Hello, bye. Don't call me mom. Kagilok. Bye, raon la. Kauban mo?
Lain ko nga office agriculture PIO ni siya na.
And what else then?
Ano sa agriculture?
Si teacher, nalingaw sila sa bata, day. Uy, thank you kay ninyo, ha?
Hello, magpa-picture yan.
Selfie to selfie.
Galing na kanya, walang nagtuturo sa kanya na if you want to become a vlogger, don't be shy.
Yes.
Just happiness and no negativity. Ang dami ko ng pawis, Day. Kinabahan ako sa iyo, Day.
If there's 3 things to describe about yourself, 3 words,
Yeah,
ha?
3 words to
What
describe yourself.
what it would be? 3 words to describe yourself. 3 words.
Yeah,
Describe.
yourself in 3 words.
3 words.
The first 3 words that came into your tongue.
Yes.
Yes.
How you will describe
Yeah.
yourself in 3
Yourself.
words?
Yes.
Go. I am.
So I'll introduce myself.
Yes, that's it.
No. You will.
No,
I'm
you will
beautiful.
describe yourself.
Are you
I am
beautiful?
beautiful.
Are
I
you
am
talented?
cute.
Yes,
Like
I am
this.
cute. Just like that.
But in your own words.
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, dira okay. Ako cellphone. Ako
Very
gamit
good.
video kay naas na si teacher eh. Ano sa istorya mo patring?
Wow!
I'm
She's
beautiful.
She's sexy, and she's
I'm
cute.
cute.
Definitely, she is. Thank you
Yes.
so much po once again, Ate Julie Pat Balbacua Queen. Maraming salamat po na inintroduce niya sa amin si Jabana Sarya. And this is the pinakabata. Pinakabata na na-meet namin na vlogger dito sa Cebu. So, if you want more, if you know more about the life of Jabana Sarya, and of course, you have to
Subscribe.
visit sa kanyang bahay, Jabana Sarya. One last question. Where is your school?
Thomas Aquinas.
St. Thomas. Where is your parents? Where is your
My mom in front of her. Very supportive mom. Ay, dad is working in the barco.
Mga very sa mga ganitong edad.
My dad is
very,
working in the barco.
Tawag doon, supportive parents. Kasi nga, di ba, sa ganitong edad dapat, pero, na-divide niya yung time
Dili sa
sa
dili.
kanyang pag-vlog at
Ay,
sa
dili
kanyang
niya ra,
school.
dili
Kasi
siya makakuha.
to the parents of Jabana
Public
Sarya,
isa, kausa na
we
ako
need
kung
to
tsapa,
prioritize.
ma'am.
We must
Kay-
prioritize
Mura
education.
pwede.
Minun break.
Okay, parental guidance. And then, alam na natin because
Klaro. Sakiti lang mo.
they know more. Okay? Jabana Sarya, thank you so much. Nice
Sige,
meeting
sige,
you.
go.
And do you eat balbakua?
Ay, sa inuhasa.
Dili si Ate Julie ha?
Nakita ganiha, wala.
Balbakua
Oo,
ni Ate Julie.
Ay, sa ako sa ni ipa 10 minutes ha.
Do you eat balbakua?
Sige niya, misik selfie Pulaan ako, chat.
Vlogger lagi daw na siya. Mag-vlogger.
Oh, hello sa dire. Hello sa. Shout out sa mga kamag-anak. Dili shout out sa
Yes, Dai. I will see it later, Dai.
Dili pwede mag-vlogger kay maulawan.
Yes, I will do what
Then how did you know me, Dai?
because Ate Julie Doy, Ate Julie Fat Doy, Balbakwa Queen Doy, we are friends, and Ate Julie Fat said, Doy, bisitahin niyo ang bahay Doy ni Jabana Sarya Dara Doy. Gwapa kay ka Doy. Mura makag Chinese Doy. Mura kag Chinese garter Doy. Joke lang. No, ang cute talaga niya. She's very cute.
Dai?
Yes, Doy. So ayan, dear, nice meeting you, ha. Stay healthy always, and always follow the rules of your parents because your parents
Knows
you
the best. Yes.
Especially your mom because once upon a time I also become a mom. Okay, one more challenge.
Where's your children?
I just forget about that die because I forget that. Let's delete that.